the silo itself is kind of a whole story. That sort of idea of putting a cantilevered spiral stair in an interior of a silo that then corkscrews into the ground and connects itself to a hidden, silage pit. We knew we wanted to put a stair down to that subterranean pit, and then we also needed a second stair for the barn. And he's out there. He lives right up the hill, so he's out there all the time, and he's kind of like sizing this whole situation up. And he calls us, and he's like, "What if we were to put a stair in the silo, and that stair, where's the one that connected to the underground pit?" And we were both just thrilled with this idea. And so, that we sort of then embarked on that, but quite late in the design process. So it kind of became its own kind of special project to the overall project as we were moving through things. But yeah, everything sort of aligned in the construction sequence really, really beautifully, and it all worked out really nice.